incredible location. I'm Sharon Caetano from Caetano and Loeffler Realty Services, and today I'm lucky enough to be at 120 Sylvan Ave in the Bluffs of Scarborough, Ontario. This prestigious and incredibly quiet location is home to this very family-friendly, upgraded 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom home. It's absolutely move-in ready. It's been completely redone just last year. So if you're looking for something in this neighborhood, come on in and check it out. This 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom home was completely renovated in 2021. Windows, roof, heat, air conditioning, beautiful floors, stainless steel appliances, quartz countertops. The list really does go on and on. So if you're looking for somewhere to simply move in and enjoy, this home's for you. Fully finished lower level with absolutely massive windows. You would never know you're in a basement. Guest bedroom, full bathroom, area for your office. This place is absolutely perfect for entertaining or working from home.